Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to use TradingView Replay feature for free in 2026 so that you can practice your strategy without a paid plan. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com, then provide your login credentials in order to log in into your account first. Now here, currently a Black Friday sale is going on in which you are going to get up to 80% off on the TradingView subscriptions. You are also going to get 1 month additional absolutely for free. So only one day left in this particular deal. If you are interested in the paid plan at huge discounts, you can just check out the link of this deal in the description and explore the offers. Now here on tradingview.com, use the search bar here on the top, then launch any of the charts in front of you. It should be the chart basically on which you want to practice your strategy. Here on the top we have the replay option. When you click on the option of replay, simply click on the option of start new. Then when you see this type of blue bar in front of you, you just have to drag and drop it and select that particular candle from where you want to start the back testing. Now once you do this, you will be shown bunch of different tabs here in the bottom as well. You can use this play button in order to play your chart, and it will automatically show the candles to you. With the help of forward shift button, you will be able to basically forward the candles. You can also change the replay speed of the chart. You can also change the intervals, and with the help of these few options you will be able to basically manage your bar replay option. But as you can see, when I'm clicking on the chart, when the horizontal lines appears, it is asking me, in order to test the strategy, I will have to basically apply for the premium subscription. So here you are going to get 30-day absolutely for free. Like for the next 30 days you don't need to pay anything. So here, if you are interested, simply click on the option of 30-day for free, then select your subscription, whether it is a monthly subscription or annual. After that, click on try for free, provide your billing details, press next. On the next page, simply just provide your payment related details and conclude your payment. After basically 29 days, you can cancel it if you are done testing your strategy, and this way you will be able to use the bar replay feature on TradingView absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.